When one looks back on the history of Airborne Express here in Wilmington, it goes back to 1980. Being somewhat of a rural community, there's not a lot of resources to support a maintenance organization, so you've had to develop the capabilities over many years. Our success is really driven by the local community and the people in it.
The number one opportunity that we have is to continue to find us really good licensed and unlicensed mechanics and people that are looking to not only have a job, but more importantly, start a career.
Our emphasis is really to draw talent from our young men and women from our high school systems to encourage them to have a career in aviation. The Laurel Oaks Aviation Program creates a great opportunity for young men and women. They can actually earn their airframe license by the time they graduate high school. They can walk into a career, a full-time job, making much more than a lot of local opportunities may offer. Walking into a job at 18 years old with an FAA license in your pocket is really setting the stage for an excellent career.
I started just a year after high school. It's not for just people that find planes fascinating, but anyone that has mechanical abilities. There's all kinds of work in aviation to do.
What I think what Airborne really offers that a lot of other organizations cannot is that variety, that depth, and that constant ability to be able to do something different as we're all looking to find who we are.
If you wanted to come to Airborne, I'd recommend it for someone who's new into the industry. There's a lot of knowledgeable people at Airborne that can help you and teach you.
I love working here. I have been promoted from my hard work. All you have to have is a good work ethic and willingness to learn.
We're willing to train individuals because, again, what we're looking for is not to be able to give you a job, but to be able to give you a career.
Jobs here are really limitless. Your career paths here are limitless. I started from the beginning. I started washing airplanes out of a 5-gallon bucket. This is a great company, it's a great community. You really need to consider how this opportunity that you have can set you on a career path for success.